ripped all the carpet out.
I thought that was standard practice.
Well,
They do that whenever somebody moves out.
I think whoever was there a long time. Plus, then they can raise the rent.
Going to anyway.
I just love, like, on the Nextdoor app, there's always people that are asking, like, I have a friend that is a single mom and she's looking for a 2-bedroom for $300 a month. Good luck.
2-bedroom for 300?
Yeah.
You
good luck.
couldn't get a 2-bedroom for 300 20 years ago.
I'm like, ugh. You're gonna have 5 roommates, then you could pay $300 a month.
Seriously, 20 years ago you had to pay $500 to get 2 bedrooms.
Yeah.
Minimum.
And Kissa for her studio was like $698 or something like that was what she was paying.
Paying $750 for that place over there.
Yeah, but that is now like $1,500.
I'm sure it is. That was a primo place. And it was very cheap for what it was at the time. At that time, comparable places were $900 somewhere else.
Believe in the propaganda crap.
Right.
Because, you know, things you see on the news and on social media are real. You should go the other way. They're going to take forever. They're chit-chatting. It's like your parents. Your mom said they went by Bob and Sue on Tuesday.
But they didn't talk to them
Their
anymore.
house hasn't sold yet. And I'm like, it's not gonna sell for what they're asking.
What are they asking?
Almost $1 million. The house is not worth $1 million.
In this market, it probably is worth more than that.
No, not in that area.
Why?
There's just no way.
tell you what happened with her debit card? Why she couldn't use it?
No.
She entered the wrong PIN number 3 times, which caused them to turn off her card.
Oh.
So she got to have a new PIN number.
Yeah.
I don't know what
Does
it
she
is.
remember it?
I hope so, because she didn't tell you what it is. She didn't tell me what it is.
Yeah, I know. She doesn't use it that often that she would know what it is. It's probably like 0001.
You can't do that.
Her.
They won't let you do that. They won't let you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1. Probably could have survived if they had better food.
They just moved. They're in Manuka now.
I understand that.
Building.
But I'm sure that they could have stayed here.
Yeah.
But they weren't getting any business because the food was terrible. And I'm guessing they get some deal with the park system.
Mm-hmm.
So don't